Hi, I'm Victoria Justice, and you're watching LifeMinute TV.
We caught up with actress and singer Victoria Justice this week to hear all about what this new 30-year-old is up to. This is a Life Minute with Victoria Justice.
I mean, so far, 30 has been great. I'm just trying to be present every day. I'm focused on my work and my career and making more music and getting in the studio and writing more. So I've been really passionate and really excited about that. And I can't wait to, share more of me through my music with people. I have a song that I just put out called Only a Stranger. You can listen to it on all streaming platforms, but it's a really personal song to me. I, was at home at the piano and I came up with this little melody and I just started daydreaming about how I'm longing for love and, I want someone to think I'm special, give me flowers for no reason. That's how the song starts.
I want someone to think I'm special. Give me flowers for no reason.
It's an emotional but also very hopeful song about love, so I hope people like it. I'm paying homage to one of my favorite artists of all time, Billy Joel. The Stranger album is one of the greatest albums of all time, and he's one of my favorite artists, and so to be able to pay homage to him was so much fun. I did it in my own bedroom, and he actually posted about it, which was crazy. I had no idea that was gonna happen, and I'm so honored, and honestly, the fact that he even knows that I exist is the coolest thing ever to me, so it was awesome.
Justice is also doing her part to help the environment. She's partnered with Arm & Hammer Power Sheets to reduce plastic bottle waste.
I am so excited to be partnering with Arm & Hammer. I've been a fan of the brand for, honestly, as long as I can remember. I started off using their toothpaste, and now they have Arm & Hammer Power Sheets, which have been such a game changer for me, honestly. There's no more liquid mess or carrying around a heavy bottle. There's no more plastic bottle waste, which is amazing. I try to have a very conscious routine. I do things like using a reusable bottle and carpooling when I can and reusable bags when I grocery shop. And so this has been an amazing addition to that. They're easy to use, they're convenient, they're lightweight, perfect for traveling. Big fan. I love to travel. It makes me feel alive. I feel like I'm the kind of person that really thrives on adventure and newness. And there's so many places I want to go. I want to go to Tokyo, I want to go to Greece, Iceland, I can't wait to travel the world. My favorite way to relax and de-stress, I love a good hot shower, and then I'll put on a nice mask, maybe watch a show with my sister, or sit with a good book and just have some alone time, some me time is my favorite. Oh, and also I love working out. I do a lot of yoga, and that's a big de-stressor for me, for sure. I don't know if this is so much a life lesson, but a motto that I guess I try to live by is just treat others the way that you want to be treated, I always try to just treat people with kindness, and at the end of the day, I feel like that's all we can really do, and hope for the same in return. And I feel like if we all try to make those little steps and do little acts of kindness along the way, then, it'll slowly but surely make the world a better place.